Hello, this is Lew White again, and I'm going to read just a portion of this new book that came out last year called Sunday Origins, Sun Worship's Special Day. It was adopted into the popular culture. Human sacrifices to the sun were practiced by the Moabites in the worship of their deity Molok. That was a sun deity, basically another version of Nimrod, who was worshipped as a sun deity, and he's now Santa Claus. But there's all kinds of these sun deities all around the earth and sun temples. But all of these things from the rebellion of Nimrod were carefully blended into our modern traditions very slowly over time. The fourth beast merged sun worship into a religious chimera, having parts of all four beasts of the past represented. The Roman magisterium claims Sunday is their mark of authority, and so great is their power that they have annulled one of the 10 Commandments. The teaching that the church tradition is above Scripture is one of their own dogmas. And those who knew the truth had to hide themselves in the hills for their cruel teaching, from their cruel teaching authority. So anyway, these are just little ideas that came from one page. And even the symbols that you see commonly used are sun symbols, and steeples and all that came from sun worship, as did the crooks that they bow down to. And that's Constantine's adoption from his sun worship. And anyway, the interesting thing is, this little book has history in it that you can't disprove. It's all nonsense, and it's based in the sun worshiping cultures of the pagans. It has nothing to do with Scripture. Sunday is not in Scripture. The Sabbath was replaced. Anyway, this is something you can pick up at Amazon.com, either as a printed book or as an ebook on Kindle, and that would be the fastest. You'll have it in seconds. It's not expensive. So pick one of these up and examine it and leave your comments and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to hear from you. Bye.